A very good morning, dear children. This is your maths class. Once again, you will do the maths work in your workbook. So, take out your workbook, Maths World, and open your workbook to page number 10. This is page number 10. You can see there are few exercises on this page. Children, in previous lesson, I have taught you about size in the terms of big and small, and today I am going to teach you the size in the terms of thick and thin, or thickness or thinness. Fine? So read the instructions here. Thick or thin shows the thickness or thinness of an object. Okay? Children, for comparison, we use the words thicker or thinner. Fine? So look at this picture. There are two books. This book is thick and this is thin. So, you can say that this brown book is thinner than this green book. Or you can say this green book is thicker than this brown book. Okay? Now, see the next picture. There are two trees, one is thick, another is thin. So you will say this tree is thicker than this one and this tree is thinner than this one. Okay? Now, second thing you will learn about positions. Children, we measure position in the terms of high or low. High or low shows the position of an object. We use the word higher and lower for the comparison. Okay? Children, you can see there is an aeroplane and a car in this inset or in this box. So you can say that an aeroplane flies higher than this car because car runs on the road. It cannot fly, and an aeroplane flies higher. And look at the next picture. You can say that this bird flies high in the sky and this squirrel runs on the land or road and streets around our houses in the lower surface. Okay? This aeroplane and this bird can fly higher than these ones. Okay? Now children, you will learn about quantity here. And we measure quantity in the term of more and less. More or less shows the quantity of an object. Now look at this picture. There are few candies here and there are only one candy. This one candy is less than these four candies. Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 candies. So 4 candies are more than this one candy. Okay? Look at the next picture. There are 2 plates. In this plate less fruits are there than this one. Okay. And in this plate there are more fruits than this plate. Okay? So we have done this exercise. Children, I have taught you this page just for the knowledge. That will not come in the examination. Fine? Now come to the page number 11. This is a fun exercise. Odd one out. Okay? Read this. Cross the odd one which does not match with the pictures. So, in this box you can see there are few blue candles. Blue candles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But only one red candle is there. And that is odd one here. In this picture. So, what you will do? You will cross it like this. Now look at the next picture. There are few mangoes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 mangoes are yellow and 1 mango is green. So, this is the odd one. So, you will cross it like this. See the next picture. In this picture, 1, 2, 3 cats are there and 1 puppy is there. So, in this picture, puppy is the odd one. So, we will cross this puppy. Okay, like this. Now, come to the last box of this page. There are a few kites. Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1 frog is there. What is odd one here? I know you know that. So, cross this like that. So, today we have done exercise odd one out. We have learnt about the size, position and quantity. Okay? In the same way, you will do this exercise of the page number 11. Thank you. Bye-bye.